A week before the debut of the next generation Pixel Watch 2, Fitbit is introducing the Charge 6 fitness band. The wellness centered wearable launches in conjunction with the revamped Fitbit app. It's built as the only fitness tracker with Google Smarts. The Fitbit Charge 6 is successor to 2021's Charge 5, which was liked even though shipped with many missing features. The Charge 6 isn't a significant departure from its predecessor in terms of design. It features a small pebble like 1.04-inch display made of Gorilla Glass, aluminum, and resin. Fitbit says it has designed Charge 6 to be slim and discreet, unlike a more obvious smartphone display. Fitbit has also brought back the side button for interacting with the interface. As with all sports centric wearables, it has water resistance up to 50 meters. It has a heart rate sensor, accelerometer sensor for SpO2 monitoring, and temperature sensor. There is NFC for using Google Pay, GPS, and GLONASS for using Google Maps. The Charge 6 will also have reading for ECG and EDA, and it can sync your heart information during a workout. It says that the Charge 6 features 60% more accurate reading than compared to the Charge 5. You will need a Google account to use the Fitbit Charge 6 as well as Fitbit app. The Charge 6 is compatible with both Android and iOS with iOS 15 and up. You can get notification for Android 9 and up. It claims a battery life of up to 7 days. That if you don't use most of the sensor, it encourages you to track all your stats through all times to get most of the band's capabilities. It's priced at $160, which is very high, where you can buy the Xiaomi Smart Band for around $40. It comes in a variety of colors like porcelain, coral. There's also new bands like ocean woven with fabric and hazel sport with holes. The wearable will ship later this fall.